Dear students, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about how to evaluate third order determinant and its first basic application, how to find out area of triangle by using determinant method. And today in this lecture, we will study how to find the equation of the line when the line joining the given 2 points or the line passing through 2 given points. But here, as we have studied in the part of this see, when the line, if the line passing through 2 given points, suppose this is the point is x1 comma y1 and this is the point is x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2. So here, to find out equation of the line, so we know the formula y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Or in some textbooks it will be y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, cross multiplication. So this already in geometry we know that this is known as 2 dash point form. 2 dash point form. But here today the same question, the line is passing through 2 given points x1 comma y1 and b point x2 comma y2. But here we have to find the equation of the line, but not by using above formula, thus without using this formula. So we have to now in this equation of the line by using only determinants. But here so now only I can just give you this idea to find out equation of this line. Equation of the line is, in the determinant method is very simple. First row you write xy and the second row you write first given point, that is equal, it is passing through given point, that is x1 y1, and again third row you can write second given point x2 comma y2. So here equation of the line by using determinant method, again here third column is always 1, but its equation now, equation should be always equal to 0. So whenever line is passing through 2 given points, the first given point is, you can take it as x1 y1 and the second given point is x2 y2. But in the determinant method, to find the equation of the line, first row 2 elements are xy, it is fixed. Every time xy is always fixed. And in the second row you write first given point and third row first given point, but only 2 coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate, and the third column always keep it 1. But here this is the formula. This is the formula will be used to find the equation of the line when it is passing through two given points by using determinant method. So here by using this, once again I'll write here. Please, my dear students, once again see this. Whenever this is passing through two given points, equation of the line is by using determinant method. Yes, very simple. First row, first two elements. In the first row, first two elements are xy. It is always fixed. In second row, first two elements you can write first given point, and because first given point is this one. And in the third row, you can write first two elements are second given point as x2, y2, and third column is always fixed 1. And equation, now we are finding equation. Definitely don't forget to write equal to 0. So this is the formula when the equation of a line is passing through two given points. This is the first given point is x1, y1, second given point is x2, y2. To find out the equation of the line, the formula is the first row, first two elements are xy. Second row, first two elements are first given point. Third row, first two elements are the given point of second given point, and third column is always 1. But never forget, since it is an equation, we are finding equation, therefore it is equal to 0. Now, my dear students, here how we can solve this basic problem, the simple problems from your old question paper set. And these are the only, in second PUC, we have only two applications by using determinants. The one is finding the area of the triangle, and the other one is finding the equation of the given line when it is passing through two given points. It is. Now, dear students, now we'll start from this one example. From this, how we'll ask this example. So in the March 2014, he has asked, find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. There is no need for you to write any formula. Joining the points joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants only. Using determinants. Now the given point is, see the answer, very simple. The first given point is, we take it as A, 1, 2, and the second given point is B, 3, 6. Now what is actually according to this question? First try to understand. So this is the point is A and this is B. I'll show you. Find the equation of the line joining the points A and B. So we have to find out, this is A and B. So here A is 1, 2 and B is 3, 6. So our target is to find out its equation of this line. But already we know by geometry, we know that how to find out equation of a line passing through two given points by using 2-point form. But here in this question, strictly as asked to find out equation of the line by using determinants. So equation of the line AB is equal to equation of the line AB is equal to, what is the formula I told you? In this first row, XY is fixed. And the second row, the first given point, that is 1 comma 2, and the second given point is 3 comma 6, and the third column is always 1, and the determinant is equal to 0, and the determinant is equal to 0. So we expand by using first row, plus, minus, plus. So therefore that is equal to plus x, means x into, directly I'll write vertical, horizontal get cancelled, 2 minus 6. So we are writing as top sign minus y, and again y. At y here, look at it. At y, complete vertical get cancelled, complete horizontal get cancelled, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, and plus 1 last, plus 1, plus 1. At this one, complete horizontal get cancelled. At this one, complete vertical get cancelled. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. That is 2 minus 4x, and plus 2y. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, divided by 2. So divided by 2, what happened here? 2x, change the sign, minus y is equal to 0. So this is the equation to the required line. So this is the equation to this line. So this is the equation to the required line. This is the equation to the required line. So very simple. I told you once again, the first row start from xy is always fixed, and second row is first, it is passing through 2 given points. First point you write, and next second point, and third column is 1. We are finding equation, therefore equation means always it should be equal to 0. You write equal to 0. So this is a simple technique. Now I'll go for one more example. Look at this. So one more same heading I'll keep, only I'll change the points. Yeah. So in this, my dear students, once again see it again. Look at this. So find the equation of the line. So find the equation of the line. Joining the points. Now I'll take one more example. Joining the points. Three comma one first point, and 9 comma 3. So in the previous example, if you are not clear, so simple, and sometimes 2 marks and 3 marks question will be coming here. That's what, please don't. But here again, find the equation of this line. So suppose you are going to take, this is A and B, that is line joining the points AB. So line joining the points AB. So this is A and B. So line joining the points AB. So A is 3 comma 1 and B is 9 comma 3. So now we have to find out equation of this line. We have to find out equation by using only determinants, that method. Not by using 2-point form, even in geometry, and you can check your answer with that method also. Anyhow, answer remains same. Answer remains same. So now once again, if you are not clear, last this thing. So you take it as A. The A point is 3 comma 1, first given point, and the B point is 9 comma 3. B point is 9 comma 3, and find the equation of line AB. Equation of line AB. Equation of line AB is, so first we have to write the determinant of first row xy is fixed, and first given point is 3 comma 1, second given point is 9 comma 3, and third column is always make it as 1. But we are finding equation, don't forget to write this is determinant is equal to 0, and you expand with R1. So plus, minus, plus. So here plus x into this one, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, minus y. First of all, we are going minus y, vertical get cancelled, look here, Your vertical get cancelled at y, complete horizontal. 3 minus 9, 3 minus 9, last plus 1 into 1 horizontal, vertical, 3 3 is a 9, minus 9 is equal to 0. So therefore minus 2x plus 6y is equal to 0, is equal to divided by 2, x minus 3y is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the, so this is the equation to the required line. So this determinant method is most important. Again, I'm going to, whenever to find out equation of line passing through given 2 points, the first row, first 2 elements will be xy. Next, first given point is x1 comma y1. Second point is x2 comma y2. And third column always keep it 1. Under we are finding equation, it is equal to 0. My dear students, please don't come across any confusion to find out area of triangle as well as finding the equation of straight line passing through 2 given points. As of now, in account of our syllabus, we have only 2 applications of geometry in the determinants. I taught both of them. Please note down, and simply you can go to textbook and solve the problems related to area of triangle and determinants. Thank you, friends. Thank you, dear students.